right, guys. We are at Jose's Mexican restaurant in Hendersonville, and I just want to give it a backstory. I'll be in there in a minute, honey, okay? And this used to be Hville Grill, which I loved. I'm so sorry it's gone, okay? And then right next door is Euro's King, which I've already done a video at. Really good food. They're blowing up out here. A lot of people calling in food there and picking it up. They're doing really good business. So anyway, this place here, it started up in Greenbrier, I think, if this is the same Jose's, Greenbrier Jose's. This is where we had, the chairs look the same. This is where the restaurant we had Jack Jr.'s dinner party, the bridal shower party or whatever. The rehearsal dinner, that's it. Anyway, this is where we had the rehearsal dinner, and so basically, I think this is the same owners. They just opened one right here, right in my city. So anyway, we're going to go in and check it out, and we'll talk to you in a bit. So, you know the rule about salsa. And if you don't, chips are warm. Okay, if the salsa's good, everything on the menu is good. But I've seen bad salsa, bad menu. Let's find out how it is.
Pretty good.
It's good? Mm-hmm. All right.
Thank you so
awesome.
much.
Thank you so much. And
nice spice on the end.
Look at, it's got a nice spice on the end. Look at that. It's beautiful. Okay, guys. Everything is really new, really clean. This has only been open a month. Literally 1 month. Okay? To back it out on chips and salsa. Anyway, we have Jeanette and Steven coming to join us for dinner, so that'll be cool. We'll see what they order. And the salsa's good. So we've already been to the other Jose's. We know that's good, but we're checking this one out. Everything looks clean. I love the design of this. They did a lot of work in here. There's a lot of plants. That's so cool. Plants on the wall, plants on the counter. It's just awesome. Okay, so I got the chili verde. There you go. Get a close-up look at that. And then you got the combo, right?
Yep.
Nice.
Almost already.
That's
no, you're fine.
Is that the big letter? No, it's okay. Go ahead. Partake, guys.
Chicken fajitas.
Don't hold back.
Alambre fajitas.
Alambre? Oh, I was thinking about those.
They have bacon and cheese on them.
Really? Bacon and cheese?
Yeah.
Love that. What did you get?
I got the chili Rihanna. No, I thought you got the chili something else.
Chili poblano.
Chili poblano. Poblano, Rihanna, whatever.
Poblano peppers, right?
Yeah, it's poblano peppers. See, with the cheese on it.
All right, try it. Let me know. Hurry up. We're waiting. The whole world's watching.
It's hot. It is. Very hot.
Is it good?
Yeah, it's really good.
All right, cool.
Hold on. It's good. Good sauce.
Wow. It's so, all right, it's so tender, it's shredding in my fork. I was trying to pick up a whole piece, but it just fell apart, literally. So anyway, we all joked about what the green looks like. Here we go. Wow. That seasoning is amazing. They season their food really well here. Okay, guys, I'm at home editing the Jose's video, and I forgot to give it an ending. It was amazing. The service was good, the food was good, and the prices were good. And it's right around the corner from where I live. So I absolutely love that. Jose's is a known name in the area. So congratulations for their second spot. Who knows? They may have one in Gallatin. I don't know. But I totally give them an A+. They did a great job. I applaud them. The flavors were top notch. The meat was tender like crazy. So if you live in Hendersonville, check it out. Enjoy. In the meantime, I will see you guys on the next episode. Bye-bye.